flag down that boat. I'll go get Alex.
Whoa, hold on there. You cannot go back there by yourself?
Come on. I know Alex. When he hears we're rescued, he'll snap right out of it.
The people are coming. They can help us.
Melman's right. The people will know what to do. Now, come on. We gotta flag down that boat.
Now this is more like it.
You? Oh, man. Where are the people?
We killed them and ate their liver. Gotcha, didn't I? Just kidding, doll. The people are fine. They're on a slow lifeboat to China. Hey, I know you two. Where's that psychotic lion and our monochromatic friend?
Marty? He's right. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He was right behind us.
Ugh. He went back for Alex. He's gonna get himself killed.
Well, boys, our monochromatic friend's in danger. Looks like we have a job to do. Captain's log. Embarking into hostile environment. Kowalski, we'll need to win the hearts and the minds of the natives. Rico, we'll need special tactical equipment. We're gonna face extreme peril. Private probably won't survive.
What the? Oh! Alex! Come out, Alex! The boat's here! We can go home! Alex!
Marty?
Snap out of it, Alex. The boat came back. We can get out of here. Then we can go back to civilization and everything will be just like it used to be.
Stay back. Please. I'm a monster.